AMPER will liven up your business. We would like to invite you to the largest Czech-Slovak trade fair for electrotechnics, energetics, automation, communication, lighting and security technologies. AMPER 2020. Make contacts with Czech and foreign companies. The international dimension of the event is enhanced by the participation of 220 exhibitors from all around the world. AMPER 2020 will present smart technologies from the fields of control and automation of buildings, towns, industry and transport. Visit the trade fair's new event, the Lighting Conference, which is focused on building and interior lighting. Listen to talks by more than 80 experts at the forums for automation, digitalization and energetics. Explore the ways of traveling and transport in the future. Have a look at the latest innovations at the electromobility show AMPER eMotion. The three most modern pavilions of the Brno exhibition grounds, with an area of over 31,000 square meters, were filled by 649 exhibitors from 26 countries during last year's AMPER. 43,700 professionals came to look at the excellent designs. Come and join the experts at the AMPER 2020 Trade Fair. We are looking forward to seeing you soon at the Brno exhibition grounds.